Percy Spencer's journey from a poverty-stricken childhood to becoming a pioneer of modern kitchen appliances is a tale of opportunity seized and curiosity rewarded. Born in Maine, USA, in 1894, Percy faced hardships early on. After losing his father and being abandoned by his mother, he started working at a young age. Despite limited formal education, his innate passion for engineering and electronics eventually led him to Raytheon, a company engaged in the development of radar systems during World War II. In 1945, while working on a microwave tube called the magnetron, a serendipitous event occurred that changed technology forever.